In this video, we will take you to Robinson's Galleria in Quezon City. Coming up next. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. If you want to watch our videos about other malls in the Philippines, please click on the link above. The video starts now. Robinson's Galleria is a mixed-use complex and shopping mall that features two high-rise office towers, hotels, namely the Holiday Inn Manila Galleria, Crowne Plaza Manila Galleria, and the Galleria Regency, and the mall. The Robinson's Galleria is located at the busy corners of EDSA and Ortigas. It is also located beside the historic EDSA Shrine, where the EDSA 2 and EDSA 3 event took place. It is within the proximity of the Ortigas Center, and it is also within walking distance to the SM Megamall. Robinson's Galleria opened its doors in 1990. It is owned and operated by Robinson's Malls. The total retail area is approximately 216,000 square meters, with over 400 shops, and features the following anchor tenants: Robinson's Department Store, Robinson's Supermarket, and for entertainment, the Robinson's Movie World. Sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the walking tour.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to watch our videos about modern Philippines, please click on the link above. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.